In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ledger to CoinStats. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily establish a connection between your Ledger accounts and CoinStats. To get this done, you will start in Ledger Live. So connect your Ledger to your device, either a PC or laptop, usually by using a USB cable. Once the Ledger has been connected, open Ledger Live and go to your accounts. So at the left side of the screen, access your accounts. In here, you will find all of your crypto, all of your assets, and all that you have to do is choose a particular one. So for example, Binance Smart Chain. Once you choose a specific account or wallet, find the Receive button and click on it. When you choose Receive, this will give you a QR code and a wallet address that you can copy. You will be using this wallet address to integrate Ledger within CoinStats. So find the specific wallet address for whatever it is that you will be importing into CoinStats. With the address copied, switch over to CoinStats. You can do this either on the website, so through a web browser on your PC or laptop, or through a smartphone, through the mobile app. Choose whichever one you prefer. I'm going to showcase how to do it on the website. In here, access your portfolios and choose the option to connect a new one. So sign into your account on CoinStats, choose the portfolio at the top right, and then connect portfolio. When you choose this option, you will now be able to input the wallet address that you copied from Ledger. Usually, this will auto-detect the network. So as soon as you input the wallet address, it will be detected and you can double check. If for whatever reason it can't detect the address, then you can just manually choose it from the list and then select the option to connect. With this done, the Ledger wallet will appear inside of CoinStats. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Ledger to CoinStats. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.